And I am recording, so everyone knows.
Got it.
Recording people.
What?
What?
I'm just saying hello to the audience.
Oh,
Mm,
yeah. Say hello to all of my viewer.
I'm right here.
Corey's like, I'm in. I'm watching
So I
it.
have a coworker and he streams and his name's Lewis and he calls his followers losers.
That's awesome.
It's so good.
I need to get a skin for Urgot.
Why does it keep doing this?
What is your key again? What?
Every time that it goes to the load screen, it minimizes it, and I have to bring it back, and then it minimizes it, and I have to bring it back again, and then it's good to go.
Are you mid Katarina?
Yep.
Dude, how does it feel that we all are
So
mastery lost
sorry.
and
Well-
everyone and their entire team except for one person is level 4 and higher?
Sick.
The biggest piece of shit in the world.
His name is Eat.
Wait, who's the biggest piece of shit in the world? Katarina Mains?
Mid. The mid that they're doing right now.
What mid are they
Who
doing?
is their mid?
The Timu.
I'm pretty sure Timo's a top.
Timo.
Timu
He
can
can
play any
mid.
position.
The problem is he has Ignite and that one that gives you more mana.
I need help, Lee Sheen, please.
Wait, are you going bottom?
Alright.
Yeah. I never
I
start
got
top.
you.
Oh!
Guys, play defensive, please, because I'm gonna try to get as much CSing done until I hit level 6.
You're asking me to be aggressive or not be aggressive?
Do not be
defensive.
aggressive.
Do not be aggressive.
I
Be
cannot help
aggressive.
you.
Where
I'm
am
not
I
in a
going?
good position.
I
Be
just went to go
aggressive.
Be
Be aggressive.
Don't be
Don't.
aggressive. Don't
Don't
be
be
aggressive.
aggressive. Don't be aggressive.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be sus-
Suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Do y'all know what happened to my other pillow?
I have not touched your pillows.
The
I
fucking
got-
cat ate it.
I
I'm
got
trying to figure out where Urgot keeps that
Oh,
at.
fuck. Okay. Alright, I'm alive. We're good.
What?
Hello. I was dying.
I got a pillow from Hannah last night. If that's what she's looking for over there.
Oh, I need
They
mine.
can figure that shit out. Don't worry about that.
Oh,
Thank
I
you for
haven't.
owning up to it, but they got it.
Cool.
That wasn't for you.
That
Four,
wasn't
He's
for
Three,
gonna be like, "What? Are you doing to me?" I'm like,
one.
"I'm not."
no.
All right, everybody, be aggressive.
Yep, get aggressive on him.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive. He hurts my face. He hit me in the fucking face.
Kendall, why did I leave?
Hands.
I was like, why are you following us?
You're an R&B singer now.
I really need to.
I do not have Timo mid, which means he's gonna be top.
Fun.
Which means you have to be careful because he'll go invisible and you won't be able to see him.
Yep.
Well,
Ah,
I sure did.
son of a bitch.
If you get a control word, it will see him for you.
I dropped a control word early at a lower place than where I'm at. So, fuck that pig already. It's okay, he's around being friendly, but if I'm matching a Timu today, I'm gonna get fucked. I just want to let you know Timo's gonna fuck my shit.
Ah, you suck.
Tell him.
All right, Michelle. I have.
Pull them. I'm gonna pull them. You ready?
Yeah.
Don't
I'm
worry,
ready.
Michelle. I have followed
always
your
ready,
judge,
man.
your
Okay,
choices
yeah.
here, and I am
Yeah.
being aggressive.
Wait, no.
I did a version of what you said.
Oh shit. Ah, ah.
Oh god damn it!
Ah.
I can't fucking help you with that.
Such shit.
Stop.
One of
Oh,
y'all
thank
turn
you,
down
thank you
my
for the
dollar.
shield. Thank you, thank you.
Turn it on.
Woohoo!
Nope. Not me in this bullshit.
Shit, shit. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Colin, be
I'm dead.
careful.
I'm gonna be careful.
I
Don't
died.
be aggressive.
I died in turret.
Oh,
Turret.
okay.
I was not being aggressive. He was.
Tell him, don't.
What do we do?
Yeah, I'll just all chat. Hey, my jungler says don't be aggressive.
No, honestly,
Like, for
do
real,
it.
what
No,
the fuck?
literally do it. Literally do that, please.
How am I missing this guy?
I will laugh so hard if you fucking do that. Oh my god. Hey. Oh, you're back. God damn it.
Huh?
Shit, I missed.
One of his
Now he's
abilities-
gonna target me. They have an echo, I'm not too worried. I would be more worried if I was someone else, I'd be more worried of a Yi over Echo.
Late game, he is so fucking fast. Oh my god.
Yeah, I've got Yasuo over here, and he's not playing by any rules.
What level are you right now, Josh?
4.
I'm just trying to see how
Oh, I
I'm
was
man.
so
dealing with you.
close.
I think my Teemo back, so I guess I can farm.
Let me know when you guys. Oh, I see Echo.
Yep, he's here.
I gotta out CS him. I gotta focus on this.
I do not have a lot of mana.
He poked, I ran, he left.
Wow.
I'm out CSing him.
That was a pretty good
Mike is
dodge.
Good.
Yeah, he's really good.
He better
Shit,
not be in my
shit.
goddamn jungle. I'm gonna be real fucking pissed.
Yo, this
God
dude
damn
is
it.
too aggressive.
Kill Teemo.
Yeah,
I
he's
wasn't even
attacking me
being-
in turret.
He pulled me out of turret. I promise, it's not my fault.
I'm gonna have to back soon at this rate.
Go ahead and back right now, bro.
Come here, you little shit.
Damn it.
Yeah, go ahead and back. I
Hey,
got
Josh.
this.
I will make an exception.
Careful.
I need your help.
Make sure you.
No, I
make
don't.
sure you dodge his
Oh,
pull.
I was just here for support.
Never mind, I got it.
scared him to
He tried to turret rush me, so I punished him.
I scared him to death.
And now I'm backing to buy.
You did great.
Hey, thanks. I'm gonna give myself a pat on the head for that one.
Teemo.
Good job, sport.
You did great, champ.
Yeah, hey, next time we hang out, I do expect an old slugger like punch to the arm.
There you go, bud. I'm backing again because it keeps getting me.
I'm halfway to level 6, so after I hit up these 2
Yeah,
jungle
it-
plates, I'm gonna start ganking. Starting with top.
Oh my god,
Yeah, we're too far up, dude.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to get him in the bush, but it didn't work.
We're just waiting for the jungle to get to level 6, then we can. be
Oh,
a
he's
bit
playing more
aggressive.
cautious now.
I know.
I kind of want to
What?
like I'm getting my turret because I can't punch his turret. Just gonna or getting close. You in the fucking grass, you shitbird.
Oh, he's
Yeah,
turret
that's what
driving
you
me
get,
again.
Asshole.
He keeps turret diving and flaming me.
Yeah, that's how you mid.
They should be scared. Because I just hit level 6.
That's
Okay,
good.
can you
I
aggressive now?
Yeah.
I definitely need some help on mid. Just
Okay.
taking him down a peg.
I'm just gonna steal. Okay, I got like 30 seconds until red.
Does somebody know where my phone is?
Yeah, I'll put it next to the bathroom in the little top cabinet because you were away. And
Hit him.
the bathroom.
Oh my gosh, did you see that jump?
This is one of my phone.
Ooh, I'm gonna take drag. Actually, bottom.
Run,
Did they
run.
walk river? Do you know?
Alright, I'm gonna back.
No, don't back. I'm coming.
I'm
No.
okay. But if I die, it's not
They're
my
not
fault.
real low. and they hurt a lot.
Interesting. This is a bad matchup for me. Emo can heal.
Yeah, I can't get out of there.
Holy shit!
Holy
what happened?
shit.
Oh, I just built a vampiric scepter. I'm gonna do a lot better now. I got lifesteal, so I'm gonna do a lot better in this combat. But we need to get to dragon.
Oh, I got a kill.
Good job. Can I get help right here?
Yeah.
Yep, on my way.
They're
Let me
there,
clear
so
out.
please be careful.
Let me clear off that
They're
turret
all
real quick.
over there.
Yeah, just do enough to make them know that you know they're there. Okay, go ahead. I'm going.
I'm dead.
I'm gonna come in.
She's on fire though.
Right. We're not gonna get her.
It's okay, I'm gonna steal their jungle while I'm here.
Did they get dragged?
Come on,
Yeah,
Yeah.
come on out, Dick.
but then we killed 2 of them instantly.
Push me, and then just touch me.
Okay,
So
well,
I can get my.
I'm gonna go up top to help.
Yeah, he's just chilling in the bushes. He doesn't want to let me
Hey,
know that
Colin,
he's-
where are we getting bug?
So we have vision.
Get control ward for Timo, but I got one. I'm gonna drop one down for you.
Oh, he's not going mid to hide right now. He's just chilling in bushes up top.
He's
Like,
squishy though.
he's not.
Back
He's
up.
not fucking going down. He's
No.
like
Oh,
he's taking it and then healing. So he's not.
he has
squishy.
a lot of health items on.
I couldn't
Yeah.
help you. I'm sorry.
You're fine, dude.
He should be switchy, but it's not working out that way.
Yeah. That pike's pretty good.
No, he's excellent.
Alright, I got red buff. Coming up top.
Get ready because I'm at half health. I can't really dive on him. I can help you if you get him low, but
Okay, I'm coming in.
dying. Well, he's backing. Yeah, it's gonna get me killed, but
Careful, Colin.
I'm being careful. I'm staying under turret.
decent point.
No, it really doesn't matter
Got
for
him.
these guys.
No, it doesn't.
Cost.
We keep
One more
missing.
level, and I can get this.
Echo's right here. Close in.
I'm almost dead, and so is he.
Ugh.
Damn. They're like taking no health.
Oh, gosh.
Sorry, I needed the health back.
That's okay. That's okay.
Oh, I
He
got
was
my-
he was
I
getting
got
away
my-
from you, so I hopped in.
I have my ult
No, you're
too.
good. You're good.
Ah, he's coming.
That's okay.
Although
Let's-
my ult
Hold on.
really doesn't
They can
fucking
think you're
help.
scared.
If you can double back, he's super
I'm
low.
going to. I'm coming.
Okay. I'm just gonna let him know I'm not leaving.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going in. Oh shit. Get him. Nice trade.
Yes.
Nice trade.
Where are you, friendo?
Thank you. I'm just gonna come over here and start jungling. I'm telling you, getting the life steal is unreal
Did
with
you get-
me.
Did you get that shutdown money, man?
I did.
Good.
Yeah, once you build Yi enough, he gets kind of stupid.
Like, this is getting really fun.
I just need to get away from this guy enough to take his turret. I'm so bad at turret.
I'm gonna clear this last jungle creep on the bottom, and then I'm gonna work my way back top.
Copy.
Okay.
Timo in the bushes.
Yep, he's just hanging out.
What am I going to buy? Blaine the Balloon King?
Back.
Don't mind if I do.
I really hate how they have the ability to literally bomb rush our turret and then kill us both.
Well, it didn't work out for him last time.
No, I mean, we only managed to kill one of them.
Yeah, we got the other one down pretty good too, though.
I'm getting ganked.
Oh. That's okay. I'm not far.
Well, they're trying to gank, but Echo, I think, went into top jungle, just so you know.
Yeah, that's why I'm like kind of holding out.
I don't think I'm probably backing anyway. Because I am just getting nickel and dimed by team.
He's not here. Oh. Nice. Good job.
Thanks. Now I should back, but I'm not going to because I'm going to try and take the at
Oh.
least some of the turret.
Yeah, there you go.
It looks
Fuck.
like
Yeah,
they need a
Damn
call.
it.
I knew you try. Yeah, I just did that to bait him because I can't fight him anyway, so I was already gonna back.
Damn, that hurts.
As long as he doesn't push me here, I'm good. Don't get in there. They're both up there. Teemo's up, and then Echo's got to be near.
The only way we're gonna be able to take him down is if they jump into turret again.
Well, we just
I'm in
gotta
turret.
defend with our lives.
Oh, you can't see me.
Oh, they're trying to get.
Damn it, Colin.
I thought you were right behind me.
Okay, I'm back at top. Oh, I'll be back at top in a second.
Okay, now I'm backing their
You
turrets
should
at half
have-
health.
Yes.
I'm just so you're aware.
Wow.
I thought I was dead.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I thought I was dead. I could have killed. I could have gotten that kill.
It's all good.
Alright, I'm heading back to mid turret. It's looking a little grim there, but if we can take him down, I can take that turret.
Hey, let me
Is
get these
Teemo
slow stuff.
invisible turrets? I mean, invisible mines.
Okay.
Okay.
You're done.
And I ADC
You
next round.
don't even
Nice
need me.
job, Josh. Nice job.
He keeps on trying to take me in turret. Oh god.
I learned that lesson, eh?
I got one here. And she's also coming at me in turret. Yep.
Yeah, no, she's fed as fuck. She was in bottom. I did not know she was missing. My apologies.
That's alright, she took turret.
What? Why are we up this far?
I wanted to get some minions and then we're gonna go back.
Okay.
Get the fuck away from me, Echo, you fuck. God damn.
All right.
why you guys keep doing that?
Back in 10.
Coming up.
Oh, snap.
Top is
Oh, they're
looking rough.
all three up here. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
Well, we're looking kind of rough too.
Close in on the pike.
Echo from behind.
Yeah, we got whatever
Sonera.
her name.
or-
is.
I'm
Yeah, we
gonna
got
I'm
that.
gonna I'm gonna head up and help top for just a second. Oh shit, Yasuo is pushing, I can't.
Oh, Pike's up top. We can get her, bro.
Yeah, we got.
I doubt it.
Three. I don't know.
I think I could do it.
I'm heading your way. On bot.
There we go.
Just hop at her. Get her.
I'm dead.
How? How?
Nice.
Good job, Josh.
Thanks, I'm backing.
Good. Shut down,
I don't
buddy.
know what just
I'm
happened,
gonna
but
come help
that's
top right now. Cause you got 4 up there.
Got three up top, so I'm just gonna.
You got 2 more on the way up top.
Yeah, I'm backing. I'm gonna be dead in a second anyway. I'm not gonna feed them.
I'm on my way.
They're gonna be on.
I'm on my way as well.
You've got to be kidding me, bro.
That pike is very good.
God damn. Well,
All right.
Exactly that fucking hit me.
I have 4 to ult. I'm going in.
coming in.
Got 1.
We should push all to top
Okay, I
turret
took
after
1
we
down.
push them.
I thought you were over here for some reason.
I'm coming. Go towards Rift Herald, because that's where they're going.
Oh shit, I didn't want that.
Timu, that's a
They just
problem.
took Rip Harold. You need to kill them before they drop it.
Right there, right
Are
there.
we going for it? Because they're all there.
I'm back in 4. I have ult. Coming. Nice. No. Yes.
Okay. At least I got the stun off before I could.
All right. I'm gonna
No, you
push
did
my
good, bro.
lane for
Ow,
just a
what the
second.
heck?
He's still
Fuck.
there?
There's 3 up there. I'm pushing my lane because
Careful.
I'm too far to help at
Exactly what he
all.
did me to.
Shit.
Yeah, you can pull me. I'm still in turret.
Go, Katrina, push. Push. They're not paying attention.
There's no
One of them's
fucking way.
missing, though.
They're all here.
Yeah, I gotta head
no,
back.
no, just go. 2 of them just came up, though.
I'm here with you now.
I'm trying to bait them. They're fucking too many to keep.
Nope, this turret's done.
Yeah, no, bro, they're
Right down
smart.
there.
God, Echo's solo. I wish I was
Oh.
fucking melee.
Yeah, but Echo has his ult. That's Rift Herald.
I'm coming, guys.
I'm
I'm
dead,
gonna go get Dragon.
but their turret's down.
Fucking Rift.
Good job.
Nidalee on bot.
My ult.
Aha!
Nidalee bot. Watch out.
I'm watching it.
Okay, so that's why I didn't get her the last time. I managed to hit the other one last time when she was low health, but I have to hit my ult again afterwards.
Alright.
Nice, guys.
Nice dragon.
Bot turret.
You guys out? Alright.
I'm still missing 1 mid, so I'm gonna go bot and defend turret.
Ah, fucking Pike, of course.
We good? Or you?
No, I don't.
Yep, I'll be right there.
Good. Alright, cool.
She might bait, so be careful.
I didn't move fast enough because I didn't know he was there until like.
Please kill her. Make it worth it. She's so close. Don't push it. It's not worth it at that point.
No, it's worth it for me.
What are you doing?
What?
Okay.
Trust me, I'm a doctor.
Trust me, I'm a doctor.
Out of here.
He moves up top. I'm gonna try to.
Tino's mid.
Yep. I'm gonna try to scare him off. I don't think I can, but you
I'll be
know.
there in 5.
I don't know.
Oh, I did it.
Oh, okay. Good job, Josh. I
I'm
have my
dead.
ult.
I'm dead, but I got that shutdown money though.
Yeah, it's supposed to move it.
All right, turret's all yours, Colin.
I'm trying.
She's down for 27. She's their strongest player.
Careful, there's mushrooms all over the place up here.
Yeah, I
that's
see 'em.
Pike.
Fuck out of here, bro. Fuck
I'm
you
gonna
guys.
take care of them, so just so
I'm gonna have to back. I can't fucking take him here.
I'm on my way.
Yeah, I'm back.
Yeah, there's nothing over there, so be careful.
All right, I'm back in 6. Where am I needed?
Top.
Top, you got it.
I think they're taking Baron.
Yeah, that would be my guess.
Should I scare them a little?
Would-
Oh no, there's Echo.
Fuck me.
Oh shit, my top
Wait.
turret.
Oh fuck.
All right, I'm
Yeah,
here.
they got Baron.
Well, at least 2.
I just wasted my fucking ult.
Damn it.
I'm just gonna go check Baron. Oh, yep, here they are. Found them all.
Are y'all gone?
Get on in there. I lowered most of them.
Got you.
Don't let up. Do not let up. Yes. Nidalee bot. Yasuo mid.
Yeah, that's our turret.
Get him.
Nice. Colin, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
I got her.
You
No,
I did
I
not-
don't. She's
I
much
did
higher
not
than I
mean
am.
to jump in there, I promise.
did not mean to blow your mind. Ooh, that was painful.
Damn.
He hurts a
almost had her.
lot.
I almost had her.
You did.
Wait, he made it? Or her? She made it? That's fucked.
Oh, she won't next time. We're
I watched
we're
that
starting to
in the wake,
we're
so I
starting
know.
to come late game. We're gonna be fine.
Where'd she
We
go?
just-
God
She
damn
went
it.
back to heal.
Okay, I'm pushing then. There's no one.
Nope, found her.
Careful, man.
I'm not.
Get her, she's so low.
Pike's
So
behind you, get
low.
out.
I can't. I'm done.
That's okay.
Nice.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Nope,
I'm coming.
nope.
Coming
Back,
too.
back, back, back,
Oh,
back.
Nope, nope, nope. I'm not. I'm not. Nope, fuck that.
Yasuo's mid.
Get out of there. No, leave.
We're leaving. We're leaving. I just wanted to make sure I could get keep you alive.
I got her on that
We're good.
shutdown though.
Well, by the time you're back, Yasuo's gonna be up to you.
My job is to keep you alive. Don't worry about me.
Yeah, we just need to be on the defensive for now, but we'll bring it back.
I'm hoping
They're
right.
probably at Baron.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. I don't know if I should stay back or if I should keep pushing their turret. But I'm already here, so. Oh, fucking Timo's already there. God damn.
He knows there. Yeah, watch out, man.
They're coming mid. They don't even realize what's about to happen.
All right. Yep, I'm coming mid.
Me too.
Yeah. Now I'm fast as fuck, boy. Yeah, okay. Hit me again. I can just fucking.
I got two mid. They're heading up towards Dom.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stick on turret.
Shit.
See him coming this way.
Oh no, I got blasted back with him.
Y'all good? Oh, that's
No, I didn't mean to do that.
All right, I'm coming up to help with Timo, I guess.
Me too.
Pike's gone. He fucking disappeared.
Pop him.
He bolted.
Punish him. Nice.
Yours.
All right, there they are.
They're fucking scared. Come on, guys.
I'm going back to take care of Yasuo.
Yeah.
Ooh, that hurt me a lot.
Better.
No.
Yeah, back, guys. Don't get in there. Dude,
How? How
Holy
is she
shit.
not dying?
No, Dom said get back.
Uh,
I was gonna go back too, and then I saw you guys push, and then. Here we
I yeah no.
Nope, Dom called it and we made the wrong move.
I was on my way to back, but I had thrown a move right beforehand, and I got it, dude.
I saw Josh moving forward, so I moved forward.
As long as Yasuo's
Don't
there-
ever follow me. I make dumb decisions.
Yeah, I saw you out there, and I was like, "Oh, honey, you're gonna die."
I forgot that I had just used my ult.
Oh no.
Oh boy.
Nope.
Ult's back up in 17 seconds.
My ult is up.
Close. I'm back in 7. So
3.
Timo mid.
Yep, going mid.
There's 2 up top, at least 1 mid, so I'm gonna be top.
All right, I'll come top because they got 2 mid watching it.
I'm coming up.
I don't know where.
All right,
they are.
then I'll go watch mid.
I think at this point we're moving as a unit.
Might as well.
Well, pick a lane, we'll push it.
They just take. Oh,
Mid
I'm
is our
scared.
best bet.
Bot's pretty bad right now, right? Because the minions are already near
Yeah.
us. Dude.
Hey, I found a mushroom.
Nice job, bro.
They got Baron.
Yeah, you need to. We need to be all together. Coming.
Well, we're all mid apparently.
Push. Because they're probably. Oh,
They're right
not
here.
Coming. I'm
Do you
coming up
want to
behind.
try and? They're probably gonna take dragon.
We should just push.
Bot.
Nope, they're right here. Wasted my ult. Yep, here they are.
Who am I grabbing? That one.
That hurt.
Oh, I'm dead.
Fuck, the minions killed our inhibitor.
I gotta go back.
I did. I told you guys.
Yeah, I know. I said it earlier. I just said
Damn it! I thought I was gonna save you. It did not save you.
It's alright.
No, Corey.
Holy fuck!
I've got 18 seconds, but they're about to push at that turret.
Drop immediately.
Yep, there they come.
Yeah, I don't think we got this one, guys.
That's okay.
It's okay, Dave.
We did
Whatever,
not
go
do
in.
as bad as I thought we would do, though.
Oh, that felt like
Get him.
better. Like this is a back and forth rather than us against people.
Nice.
Yeah.
Like I hate. As long as we can do something, I would rather that than getting fucking absolutely shit on.
Timo,
Yeah.
we want
No,
you.
this is most definitely more of a
Oh, yeah, he's on the stairs, right?
fuck.
The warden on the stairs.
I was hoping I could.
Two
grab
coming to
one
meet you on top.
before you left. Oop, guys,
Up, they're all here.
Oh, Timo.
careful.
Oof.
I literally can't get my fucking ult to go. It's
I
so
have-
hard-cast.
I have life steal, so that there's a 50-50 chance that was gonna work. No, Samira, go the fuck away. Nobody wants you here.
Is everybody toast? Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
What?
No, Josh is there.
Well, he just came.
Everybody was toasted though. Yes.
Yeah, dude, the fact that
Alright,
I
I'll
get-
talk to you for next game.
Fuck.
I just wanted to play with you a little bit more. I didn't do too bad with him.
Yeah, Miranda's saying she wants to go to sleep, so I might go rub her back and then see what y'all are up to. No, that's game.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh. The main, you stick to that character, it's just,
how did I not get it?
GG.
That was fucked.
That was so. Oh my god. We're not worthy.
We're 6 and 8.
Oh, I forgot I have.
It made
All right, but I do feel like we're getting slightly better every time.
I mean,
Because this time we actually, like, there have been a couple of times where we have taken no turrets.
I mean,
And this time we
technically-
took one from each lane, so we're slowly getting there. So,
that's not bad.
well, all right.
yeah.